You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, how to pronounce in English, British English pronunciation first. If you want to learn more vocabulary, I've got many more for you coming up at the end of the video. British English, how to pronounce visor. Yes, it's not V, it's vi, za. The R is silent in British English. It's a Z sound, a Z sound, okay? Visor, the American English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the US. Visor, 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 American English, stress on the first syllable, or visor, British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? I'd love to hear from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.